How to give control on screen in Microsoft Teams. First, I'm going to open my Microsoft team. Then I'm going to click on Meet Now. Then I will click on Share on the top right side. Then click on Share Screen. Then here, when you hover on the top middle of your screen, here you can see this option, Give Control. When you click on it, you can give control to anyone on the meeting. But you should know, here it doesn't give me anything because I'm in the meeting alone. But you should know that this feature isn't available right now in 2026. So now let me show you. Now when I go and click on create a meeting link, create a meeting, then click on join. Then I'm going to click on join now. Then I'm going to click on share on the top right side, then click on screen. When I hover on the top right here, you cannot see actually the give control option. So it is now not available. Even when I ask Gemini about that, it tells me here, as you can see, Google Meet doesn't now currently have a native give control feature. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.